I don't know, guys. You think my mirror is dirty?
Why, hello, lads. It is Rad Performance here. You're going to see us in this video. We literally just went 600 to 800, and then we've wrapped it up with purple Scotch Brite. And then we were able to lay it right down with an R500 gun. Links will be in the description because obviously this gun happens to be one of our personal favorites. It is almost a direct copy of the real R500, and we were very impressed by it. The build quality, everything. Overall, the gun gave us absolutely no issues, and we are very happy. You can also do the attachments, so that way you can have the quick disconnect, which we found to be very helpful for beginners, and you don't have to deal with cleaning out your paint canister. So it's really a great gun all around, and definitely super beginner friendly if you're just looking to shoot and paint your car. So once again, guys, make sure you prep the surface as you see us do. We washed it nice and clean. It's always got to be clean before you paint, guys. So pre-painting prep, lacquer thinner if you wish, not my personal preference, but you can do whatever you want. Acetone, pre-painting prep, once again from Eastwood, although we are not sponsored, though we'd like to be. Pre-painting prep happens to be the best product to use when you're in this scenario because, once again, I cannot stress this enough, that everything here needs to be incredibly clean because if it's not clean, you're going to notice it in fish eyes, in imperfections, and whatever other chemical reactions are going to happen when you are trying to paint and get this result that is directly behind me. Before this video gets started, guys, once again, please make sure to subscribe and turn on bells. We make videos like this every single week. We got so many projects coming your way, guys. Make sure to like and comment on this video. Let us know what you want to see more of, what projects, what we should do to each single one of these projects. We have the 84Z28 that we're going to be wrapping up the build this spring and summer, and I have the 87 Corvette 4+3 videos coming on her real soon. We got the GSX 72 Buick going to be awesome this summer because we're going to do some paint work on that. As always, let's get right into it.
Hey guys, Rad Performance. Okay, so we just finished preing down this hood. This is at an 800. As you probably will know if you know anything or have been following along with this car, this has obviously been painted before the hood. Right now, we are just doing a final coat because there were some issues inside the paint of which we wish to resolve. So in repainting a piece of car that had already been previously painted, if you repaint with inside of the chemical adhesion window, you'd be fine. But as soon as you pass that window, which is usually not that long, only a couple of days, maybe 48 hours tops, you will have to abrade the surface like we did. This is 800 grit abrasion, all done by hand. Every single nook and cranny of the hood has been covered until it's perfectly dull. So this should be good enough for proper adhesion, and we're just going to proceed.
I want to do a video of a walk around, showing about at home, roll on clean and all that.
Yeah. Well, the truth is, we can just sit down.
I don't know what that is.
Sit down and have like a vlog after the car is done, which
Like
is
Dulcich
entertaining.
and sitting there and
Oh,
filming
absolutely. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
so
yeah.
what was your best part? What was your best? That would be the best.
Because all that stuff is easy, and sadly, it's more entertaining. So
And
the
they'll be
normal
like,
people of the
Who are
world.
these two jackasses?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, and baskets, slow, spitting fast, not the roast, I can gas, think I'm okay and last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence dream.
Okay, guys, so here we are. So we actually had quite the dilemma with fish eyes and everything. We were just able to save it. And yesterday, after we laid it down, even a couple hours after, it was tack free. It looked amazing. However, the day after, you'll see it got real dull in certain spots. Now, this obviously goes back into just being a DIY or do-it-yourself out in the middle of nowhere. But don't worry, we will show you guys how we plan to fix this all. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And